Okay, so this thing's not in the best condition because there are, as you can see, there are some holes in the bag. And I noticed that this cord is in very, very, very bad shape. See, look at that. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. It's a big, big, big tear in it. This tape isn't holding up well. Eventually, I'm going to have to get a new cord for it, but I don't know where I'll find one. Now, I think these concepts were actually sold exclusively at Sears because they have the same outer bag as these Sears Hoover Elites here. So, if I'm incorrect, please correct me on that. But yeah, this was sold exclusively at Sears, and that was sold exclusively at Sears. So, pretty neat. Never knew that until I found out about that one back there. But it's still a great machine. I don't plan to get rid of it. It just needs... I'm not really concerned about the bag, but I am concerned about the cord. So, yeah. Still a great machine, but it does need a new cord.